The largest earth-filled dam in the world, Tarbela Dam, had its spillways opened on Friday afternoon to let water out. At around 2 p.m., a major flood flow of 12,000 cubic meters of water per second entered the reservoir. The reservoir of the Tarbela Dam is already full to its 1,550-foot maximum conservation level, leaving no room for the accommodation of a single cubic meter of water. The authorities claimed that at around 2 p.m., a heavy system of 12,000 cubic meters per second entered the reservoir, which caused the dam authorities, under the guidance of IRSA and its experts, to open both the auxiliary and service spillways in order to release the floodwater into the river Indus, where a significant flood was occurring. According to the sources, 16 operational units produced 4,766 megawatts of electricity in the morning. In Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, the Indus River is dammed by the earth-filled Tarbela Dam. It is the world's biggest earth-filled dam. The dam rises 143 meters, 470 feet, above the riverbank, and Tarbela Lake, its reservoir, has a size of about 250 square kilometers, 97 square miles. It contains 9 gates to regulate the outflow of water and a 119 billion cubic meter water storage capacity. The dam was built in 1976, and its intended uses included irrigation, flood control, and the production of hydroelectric power.